Okay, first of all, ka mkpụrụ obi ndị ụlọ ụka omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu Diocese of Mkpọ ndị nwụrụ n'ife mberede nke okporo ụzọ ebe kọntraktọ na-arụ ilo gbubiri ilo due to government failure. Not government failure anyway, but carelessness of the engineer Gidiolo, because na governor award gilo honya ya alo ka mkpụrụ obi ha zuru ike na ndokwa. Amen. This is a time of sober reflection. This should be a time of sober reflection. N'ebe Mathias no. I was thinking na mgbe that team mere ọbịa lụrụ ebe a no ya agba camera na ndị Nigerian pastors, ndị bishop, ndị fada, ịghọtago, clergymen. I was thinking na ọ pụta na ọha nwa ka ọ ya anawa. But ọ pụta indeed call out to Governor Soludo. So what it means is that he has been, that now the fight on Anu since now prioritize her well or his space priority. And for the fact that now all Christians family, he will begin to mock them. He will begin to laugh at them. It has been a normal occurrence that no potable will accident or lead to a by camera. Mo one den on mota, ndemo accident, mondemela, ndo balaha deba or moahamo, gwaha, why na Jesus Christ, Abia save her. Has in, I hope that at this point they prove Golie that na in accident, one accident has nothing to do with whether you a Christian or you won't menana. N'ife ike ife mberede nke okporo ụzọ na ọnwụ na ife ndapụta abụrụ ọsọ ndị otu Kristi ka ọ na-eme. So now, why will we feel na ọ bụrụ na anyị pụta pretend aka ya sị na anyị do insensitive na ndị a tụfuru ndụ ha mụwa ya amụ mana ọwụrụ Christians ka dati mmelu ọwụrụ ife dịka non-delo shuzin jechala ụka na-ana ka ife dati mmelu ọ nọ ndị ụka jechala ụka na-ana ka ife amelu ọ pụta kịta o jee ebe ahụ gbaa kamera mụwa ha amụma ọkụba ha. Now he has seen what the real problem is. He has seen the people with the real problem. That Monday with the problem are church leaders. They are not even churches either. But he can actually use his platform to call out those people who the real problem are suffer na Igbo, rather than either upon ndo kanenu, ndo kanana, ndo kanenu, ndo kanana. Now the day okwuru maka ndo na-ele akpati, okwuchara maka ndo ụka firuru na ahụ ya ba ejeri nwa olive oil, okwukwa maka ndo ụka ya hapụ call out government for the bad roads ebe a onye ọpụ ọnụ ụzọ due to bad road moto nwa accident onye ahụ nwụọ ọ ndị ụka nwere accident ya kịta nwụọ ebe a na-eje. You see, that is what being insensitive is. And a na-ekwuye ọdụka ha sị na amaghị ife a na-ekwu. Ndị do closer to Mathias should advise him. They should advise him. I have no reason to mock him. Perhaps ọ wụrụ nya ka ife a mee direct aka m amụ ya amụ mụwe ya amụwa mana ife ma ya eji wee mụọ amụwụ because these are innocent people who mislead ndị na-asọgharị isi ndị do so blind and all do so pity, and I feel sad that those people do blind till the very end. Or do so I pity them honestly. I pity them honestly. Ọwụrụ ndị ụka kịta ọbịa ebe a mụọ amụ gba Jesus Christ ujukwu weme nka, Jesus Christ ujukwu weme nka, Jesus Christ ujukwu weme nka. Ọkwa ọfụgo na ọ nwere onye ya anwụ ndị ụka ya anwụ, ndị ọdịnala ya anwụ, ịghọtago, ndị ụka ya anwụ, ndị ọdịnala ya anwụ, because na ebe Jesus Christ nwụrụ na Bible, who says that na ndị ụka na-ekwu na mmadụ ya anwụ ebe Jesus Christ na onwe ihe wọkpara Chineke egburu egbu na Bible ọhọsọ na ọ nwụrụ anwụ ọrịa ha ahụ wee nwụ na-egburu ya egbu ọrịa ha arịa wee nwụ egburu ya egbu. So why is he always laughing at us na mmadụ nwụọ okwu why na Jesus Christ abịaghị mee ka anyị ghara ịnwụ, ịghọtago? So now let it be a moment of reflection to him, for him and his members. Now he has seen that na ọ bụrụ ndị pastor award rile and na ọ bụrụ ndị pastor who engineers na rile. Now he has seen that the circumstances that led to the ọnwụnwụ of members here in the cathedral here or in the parish here whatsoever has nothing to do with any Nigerian pastor. Can he now focus on the reality? If he must preach about reality, can he now focus on the reality instead of misplaced priority of church jikose, church jigadise. From beginning of Ife lead return the members here to the end, can he tell me even though Kabatarone? Onwero. Now he has started demonstrating. He had to wait until members here before he can lead a demonstration for the bad rules and the carelessness of some institutions and both private and the government institutions in Nigeria. He had to wait until members here before he will face that reality. Or when Mathias Nanzi no Osita Aduam Manodo Alubo, instead of on Facebook, na pastor, those people are also trying in their own kind of way to also contribute to ease the stress I pass through. They are doing their own quota, and you should appreciate them. You are now demonstrating rather than calling the names of pastors up and down. You are now facing the real fact. You are now facing your real problem. You are now seeing your real enemies for who they are. Let us listen to it and analyze. You want to go? So now no bidota adowama odowalubo kambulobi the members of your parish ndemwo na that could have avoided mistake of a careless engineer. Kambulobi hazuri kenandokwa. Prioritize your fight now, or prioritize your fight now. Have you seen Uzi phone he demonstrate goal? Uzi phone raise go concern genuinely na Facebook. Well, anything to do with Nigerian pastors. Remember the days of I'm in danger right now. I'm in danger right now. Now, had nothing to do with any Nigerian pastor anywhere. Are you getting my point? The time you were sick, fake sickness, ain't will anything to do with any Nigerian pastor. The time you wanted to go on a demonstration, I will see from power from above. You are going to demonstrate against Soludo government and not Nigerian pastors. The time, remember, ago, well accident, when Egari demonstrated against Nigerian government and not pastors. So can you tell me in any of the places you have ever encountered difficulties in this life, anyone that has to do with any or had to do with any Nigerian pastor? None of it. So can you now make your priority right? Make it right. There is still time now. There is still time now. Mana, continue. What I know is that we are not going to laugh at in them. Jesus Christ make a good time, mechie. Onwe hifi ye kufe na iya amana wenu kuna wenu the pastors block socket never. Ngwa kelifa ya kpo like I said owuru ngo kefa melu aka ma mupu uche genanya ha mekwe aka ma mupu uche genanya if osoro onye nyakwuo mana because na ifa melu ndedo innocently ignorant, we are going to wish their soul safe journey. May God grant their souls eternal rest. Amen. And a carelessness of people now. When I talk about drainage, and Newi, the mother but I only raised an alarm, which I am not sure now I cover that drainage. I raised an alarm, all because of this hazard. If you see something, say something. If you say something, anything. That was a grave mistake. There was a time in Jeshalo, Imo State in Abata, no close to my house. Or wona ne ebuwedila buye nkeni. Noreba na bamba. Why na hate ho diversion somewhere? Why na hate ho diversion somewhere? Or na hate create alternative route? Na ha ka ebuye nka halu cholo he jemeye nkeni. Hana alolo na nkeni he halu cholo na nka he jebuye nkeni meye nka. Imagine no so we fetchugidorum no when then achum also na abanya. Mwe pota eba. Emo hana nda ejidem. And lo and behold, ka m na-ekwu ya ndị na-ebe a na-asị m ọ na ya alụ ọrụ na ya emekwata emenenu na ya complain na ya complain. So these inconveniences and these irregularities has become a daily part of us that trying to change the mindset of people. So the omume contractors is something that people should condemn. But Mathias, can you begin now to tackle the real problems and stop chasing shadows? In a good congregation already, begin to build your congregation, your parish and your cathedral quietly, and face the real problem if you want to live your life as an activist. Instead, tell your priority right. Ezugo here.